We've got people. 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 People that might have seen something. Go and ask them.
You, stand up.
Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Oh, we've got a volunteer, we've got two. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up together, stand up together. Ready?
Hands up.
Hands up, both of you.
On your head.
Head.
Your shoulders.
Shoulders.
Knees.
Knees. Toes.
Head.
Head.
Shoulders.
Shoulders.
Knees.
Knees.
Toes.
All together. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders.
Sit down, that's silly. I'm going to come. You, stand up.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Ooh, is that Justin Bieber?
Oh, looks like it. Right, Beaver, hands up.
Now, okay. Red t-shirt. Hands up.
Hands up then. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. YMCA. You.
Stand up.
Like that. Bend your knees. Gangnam Style.
Bring him up here, up you come, up you come. Up you come. Round of applause. Okie dokie. Say your name loud and proud for all your friends to laugh at you. What is your name? Nick. 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 Hi. I'm Nick. Okay, how old are you, Nick? Nick. Nick. Okay, how old are you? 12. You're 12? You're 12 and you're already... Oh, look at the size of these feet. Okay, right. Got a very hard question for you. What is your favourite colour? Green. 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 Not wearing any green. Okay, what is my favourite colour? Have a guess, have a guess.
Red.
No, it's pink. Okay, we are looking for a man that is this tall and he looks like this. We will show everybody his embarrassing passport photos so they can laugh at him like we do every day. Everyone seen it? Good. Okay, have you seen this man? You've not seen him? You've not seen him? Sit down. Shame on you. Shame on you.